This week on The Roads We Roam.
Are you ready to see our fixer-upper? Come inside and I'll show you around. Before, there were dated valances, yellowed and broken blinds, and wood-colored cabinets. We wanted a fresh, clean look, so we painted the cabinets a really fun teal color, ripped out the valances, and updated all the blinds. On the walls, we used a peel and stick shiplap wallpaper to tie it all together. Moving on down the hallway, which was before a very dark area, we painted all the cabinets and the fridge a bright white color to brighten it all up. It took about 3 coats using this Nouveau cabinet paint kit. Onto the main living area. Originally there was a dinette with 2 benches and 2 sofas in the living room area and a 20-year-old very green carpet. We needed to address our need for more space and create a work area, so the first step was to pull everything out and update the flooring. We chose a laminate flooring that we were able to install ourselves in just one day. We built a custom bench along one wall that provides a lot of storage in addition to plenty of seating. We went for a fun beachy vibe in the living area and incorporated a blue fabric weave peel and stick wallpaper for all of the walls. We continued to paint all the cabinets white and added in fun prints on the walls and the pillows. One of our favorite features is a dedicated dog station. This cabinet stores all of their accessories, food, and bowls. Where one of the sofas used to be, we now have Russ's workstation, as well as a very nice large trash bin. When we were ready to eat or needed more space to spread out and work, we have a folding table that we can quickly set up and seat up to 6 people if needed. We want to know what you think. Please leave a comment below. And if you have any questions about any of the products that we used, we have them all in the description. Feel free to get a hold of us at any time at theroadsweroam.com. Russ and I would like to give a big thank you to this week's Super Chat donors. Blue Wave Odyssey, Stacy Forrest, Travels with Delaney, RV Nomads 365, and Donna Delahanty. That's all for today. Bye.